dump it out of the pan easily. I think that's the only reason. Because you don't put any grease. A lot of times you put butter and stuff like that to make the pan. Boy, this is really getting... And you know what? If you get home and you do something and it don't work, you can say, well, Granny's recipe's not right. But
there's some room to do things different.
you do it your own way. And after you have a couple, you know, good turnouts, why, you'll say, well, I want to do it this way. I don't want to do it that way. And Granny won't turn over in her grave. You know, it'll just be the way Chris wants to do it. But the idea is that you don't have a greasy pan for a sponge cake. That's what I'm trying to think. The sponge cake, you don't grease the pan.
No greasy pan on sponge cake.
You could add that to your...
Right, Abby? Roof.
Yeah.
Like, what? Okay.
Okay.